Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to teach class 7th math. After yesterday I taught the property of multiplication. Today I am going to teach that property base equation which is given in the exercise 1.4. So see here, exercise 1.4 A. No student, 1.4 not. See 1.2. 1.2 exercise 1.2, which is depend on the property of multiplication. See, first question given, there are some properties given which of the following statement are true and which are false. A given here, 4 into in common bracket minus 3 is equal to minus 3 in common bracket close into 4. This statement is true because this is the commutative law of the multiplication of integer. When you change the order of the digits, the product will remain same. So it is the correct. Now see B. 453 into 1 is equal to given 453 minus 453 even. This is wrong because the any number multiplied by 1 coming itself that number, but here is coming minus, so this is the false. C. 4 into in common bracket 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 into 5 minus 4 into, see here, question given 4 into 5 minus 11 in common, 4 into in common bracket 5 minus 11 is equal to 4 into 5 minus 4 into 11. This is true. This is the distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. So this is also true. Now see question number D. Minus 3 into in common bracket minus 7 is an integers. That is an integers. So this is also correct. This is also correct because this is hold the closure property of multiplication for the integer. Now question number second. If A given minus 4, B given 5, C given 4, verify A into in common bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive law of multiplication over addition. So first you take this is the right side, this is the right hand side, and this is the left side. So first you take A into in common bracket b plus c is equal to what coming? Put the value of a, b, c minus 4 into in common bracket 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into 5 and 4 is 9 is equal to minus 36. And other side a into b plus a into c is equal to minus 4 into b is 5 plus minus 4 into 5 is equal to minus, no, that is the 4, not 5. This is the 4 into 4. So that is a minus 20, and this is the minus 4 and plus 4 product is minus 16 is equal to also coming minus 36. So it is verify that a into in common bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, verified. Now see boys, here is given complete the following multiplication table. See here table. See this, first you make the table. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 division you make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 horizontal make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is this. Remaining you rough it. See here multiplication, and then given minus 11, minus 10, 9, minus 8, minus 7, 6, minus 6, plus 5, minus 4 given, and then minus 3 given. How can you multiply and complete this table? Take 6 and multiply with take minus 6 multiply with minus 11, that is 66. Here 10 minus 10 into 6, 60. 9 into minus 6 minus 54. Minus 8 and minus 6, 48. Minus 7 and minus 6 plus 42. And 6 into minus 6 minus 36. This way you can complete all. See, 5 take, multiply by minus 11 minus 55, 5 into minus 10 minus 650, that is 50 minus 50, before write minus, and 5 into 9 45, 5 into minus 8 minus 40, 5 into minus 7 minus 35, 5 into 6 30, multiply by 4 now, minus 4 plus 44 and plus 40 minus 36 and plus 32 plus 28 minus 24. Now take 3, multiply with 11, 10 minus 10, 9 minus 8, 7 and 6 respectively, plus 33 plus 30 and minus 27. Here is plus 24 plus 21 minus 18. This way you can fill all the blanks here. Now question number 4. What is asking in the question number 4? Find the continued product. Given A minus 3 into in common bracket minus 4 into minus 5. See, watch. When I teach the property of the multiplication, that time I told you, if the number of negative integer coming even time, then the sign of product is positive. If the integer of negative term or integer of negatives coming odd time, then sign of the product is negative. So here here is 3 negative integer given, then sign of product is negative. And you multiply here 3 into 4, 12, and 12 5 is 60, answer coming minus 60. Similarly, B part of this question, minus 7 into 4 into minus 23, see here, into 0 coming. You know that any number multiplies by 0, the product becomes 0, so its answer coming 0. Question number C, minus 11 into 23 into minus 5. Here 2 time negative term coming, then you multiply minus 5 and minus 11, that is coming 55 into 22. And now you multiply 55 and 22, 55 into 22, 15, 15 1 16, and here is 110 coming. Add this, that is coming 5, here is coming 5, 6, 2, 1. 1265 is the product. And sign of the product is positive because here is 2 coming, 2 negative integer coming. It means that is the even numbers. D parts of this question, minus 7 into 0 into minus 23 into minus 4. So here is a zero integer is a zero is multiplied with the number, so product is 0. This is all. Now see question number 5. Question number 5, see boys here. Verify associative property and the distributive property of multiplication of the integer for these three numbers. First I teach you associative property. Associative property of multiplication. That is A into in common bracket B into C is equal to A into B in common brackets into C. It means when you multiply the three or more integer in respectively in order given, the product will remain same. It means if you multiply last two and then first, or you multiply first two and then last, the product will come same. So see here, number A given, value of A given here -2, B given 17, C given 11. So A into B into C is equal to -2 into 17 plus 11 is equal to, see how much coming. This is not distributive, this is the associative property. So that is like this. See here, 2 minus 2 into in common bracket -17 into 11. Multiply this, you multiply this, then you can get it. First you multiply 17 into 11, 17, 7, 8, 1. This is coming -2 into -187. Now multiply again this by 2, 4, 2 into 7, 14, 4, 16, 1, 17, and 2 1 ja 2 and 1 3 plus 374 coming, and you multiply the other way. A into B into C is equal to -2 into -17 into 11 is equal to 34. Minus multiply, show that even time negative integer coming, their product sign is positive, so that is plus 34 into 11. That is also coming, see here, 34 and 34, then 4 7 4 3, that is also coming 374. This is verify the associative law of the multiplication. Hence it is verify A into B into C is equal to A into B in common bracket, then C, verified. It means associative law is verified. Now I am going to verify distributive property of multiplication. see B. Distributive property of multiplication. What is that? If you multiply a number A with the sum of two numbers B and C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So take the value of A is given -2, B is given -17, C is given 11. So you take first A into in common bracket B plus C is equal to -2 into -17 plus 11 is equal to -2 into 17 minus 11, that is -6, -2 and -6, that is product is 12. And now you take other side, A into B plus A into C is equal to -2 into -17 plus 2 into -2 into here -2 into 11, that is minus and minus multiply 34, and 1 minus here -2 and 11 -22 is equal to coming 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 1, both side coming same number 11. So distributive property also verify A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C verified. This is also verified. Now see question number 6. Find the using the property of multiplication. Find its product by using the property of multiplication. So first find using properties of multiplication. See here given number A. First question, 1398 into 99 minus 1398. This is. Now see here, you can solve it. 1398 into 99, and here minus and minus plus 1398 into 1, you can suppose. Now take 1398 common, then what is left in the bracket here? 99 plus 1, here remaining 1, here 99, and this is taken common here, that is 1398 into 100. You can multiply easily, 139800. This is your answer. If you using the property of multiplication, then this type of product is easily you can do. Now see B part of the question. That is given here 2345 into minus 3 in common bracket plus 2345 into in common bracket minus 97. Here also you take common 2345 left in the bracket minus 3 and minus 97, that is 2345 into minus 100, that is minus 2345 increase to 0. After that, this is the product. And C 1934 into 485 minus 934 into 485 is equal to this 485 take common, 485, and here is remain left 1934 minus 934 is equal to 485 into 1000. 1934 minus 934 remaining 1000, that is multiply with 485, that product is 48530. This is your answer. This way, students, you can complete the remaining questions. Which is not able to do that question, I will tell you. Okay boys, thank you.